Want to give your videos a cool retro TV intro? Here's how to create this effect in CapCut PC. Start by dragging your video to the timeline. Go to the Effects tab and search for Retro TV. Click to preview it. Then drag the effect on top of your video. Adjust the duration to match your clip. You can also tweak the speed in the Settings panel. For cleaner timing, position your playhead where the TV opens completely and click Delete Right to trim excess effect. For extra style, try adding a filter. And that's it, a retro TV opener in seconds. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thanks for watching.